y'all. Let's see what we find today. How's your drink?
It's pretty good. It's just a regular white sangria. So it's kind of dry.
It's kind of dry?
Kind of dry.
Okay. My mojito is good. The bowl good?
It's got it.
I know.
That's my opinion. Go ahead and start the formal eviction process because she may become a squatter.
I plan on it. Ooh. That sounds like a cicada. I shouldn't have had that spicy margarita. You know better than letting me have it.
Hey, you made a great decision when you was over. What you thought?
I did. That mojito was good. It was good and it was sweet. But you don't have a hankering for old spicy margarita. Well, we had another successful night or day. It's not quite night.
No. Still early.
Afternoon at the Square Marietta. We'll be back next week, same time, different place. So many places to try though. Eric, you're not in the video. What are you doing, Mr. Mylan? This dude. I am so ready to get home.
She can't help it with you. Mirror.
Do you notice this? You notice something?
What song?
You and I are the same height.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. Tell somebody, please, in the comment. Tell this guy that he's not taller than me.
No.
Wait. Come on, let him see. You're not.
I'm taller.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. It's the angle of that
No, it's
way
not.
you're holding it.
No. He's so in denial. He does not want to be the same height as me. At least I'm 5'6", 5'7", babe. You're at least 5'7".
I'm 5'8".
In your damn dreams. In your dreams. Woo, y'all. It is hot. We'll see you in the next vlog. Well, another day in the vlog. Hello. Welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today is Friday, July 12th. Getting better with the dates. I can actually keep up. So, our work day is over. We are on our way to dinner. Eric wanted a hot pot. What? You did. I didn't ask for a hot pot. You did. You want a hot pot. And I'm just here along for the ride.
That's your story. You're sticking to it.
That's the truth.
Okay.
It's not.
No.
It is the truth.
No.
Did I say, babe, I want to go to hot pot?
No, but if I would have said,
It ain't no if, babe. I'm gonna tell you what my granddaddy used to say. If a frog had a glass ass, he couldn't hop, and if he did, he'd break it. If was a fifth, we all be drunk. That's enough. But yeah, we're on our way to dinner. Today's been a long week.
Yes, it has.
Thankful to be alive, Lord. Thank you for giving us another day. I thank you for all the blessings you give us. But it's been a long one, man. I ain't complaining. We survived. That's where that other Taqueria tsunami is, isn't it? All this time we've been passing by, didn't know it was good. Look at this.
I'm sorry.
These people, I promise they risk their life. They don't care nothing about them cars, their life. They just cut right in front of you. But yeah. Hope y'all having a good week. I hope y'all had a good week. If you hadn't noticed, I dyed my hair black. Yes, I dyed it. Back black. Back to black we went. I forgot to moisturize it because it showed a little dry. I did it today. And I'm letting it dry so I can moisturize it. So, enough of that little chatter, because that's all it is. Me chatting about a little nothing. You got any topics, baby, you want to discuss? Anything right off the cuff that you like?
Nothing we put on the camera.
People might want to listen. We're not limited to anything. We can't get demonetized because we're not monetized.
True.
Okay. What is it?
No, you just need to be, cautious of people, and there's always two sides to every story.
Oh. I know where you're going with that.
Two sides to every story.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And hold firm to the story you know.
Amen to that. And sometimes, depending on the story that's being told and the person telling the story, because oftentimes the guilty party or the party that's lying, they be the first to start talking. They the first to start spreading lies, and they the first ones. Oftentimes you try to remain quiet, because try to remain quiet, but if you push me too far, I'm about to go on and expose you. Like, people, like, as an adult, stop with, I cannot stand a liar. So now that we're on these lies, my sister and I have a tenant, which actually is my dad's tenant. But my dad passed away. So we inherited this low down, dirty.
Don't say it.
But I'm just praying she gets out of this house the end of this month. She gotta go. And I'm just gonna say that. Yeah, she has to go, number one. Yeah, she has to go. But you really have to be careful who you help. People that you trying to do, but you know what? I'm not even worried about that, because I know how karma is she spin the block right on back.
Quick
these days. She don't take no time. She go,
yeah.
Let me come on back too. So I'm not even going, cannot worry about it. I'm not worried about it, but I'm trying not to get mad about it. Because there's so many things that my sister and I have to handle when my dad's estate and stuff, that yeah. I'm just trying to live in peace, and people won't even let you. They just won't. But that's neither here or there. Anything else, babe, you want to add?
Like I said, just hold firm, man, because if you're doing it right, you're gonna come out on top.
That's good. You sure right. That's facts. That ain't fiction. That's facts. Sometimes it might look like you losing. It may look real close, like, God doggone, I might lose this. You ain't gonna lose. As Fantasia say, sometimes you gotta lose to win. When you win, it's gonna be bigger than what you lost. So yeah, we'll see you all later in the vlog. Let's go chat later. You see who came for Hot Pot? It was him. Don't look at me like that. See, when the morning crew is here, you see what we get? If the morning crew isn't here, they just throw this shit together. I had to rush him out of bed because I'm like, listen, I need my cold brew now before that evening crew get here.
Couldn't even relax in the bed this morning because she wanted her swirl.
Sundays is your day to relax in the bed, not Saturdays.
Thank you very much.
Happy Saturday, y'all. I can't peel it for you now, babe. Have fun. We are on. If y'all wonder why my face look oily, it's because I have sunscreen on. That SPF 50, baby. If you are a person of color and you're not using sunscreen, baby, what are you waiting on? If you have any type of imperfection on your face, like scarring from pimples or whatever, because for some reason this week I broke out. But honey, you put that SPF, it's gonna clear you. It's gonna clear your hyper pigmentation. It'll clear it up. It'll make your skin even. Plus, it protects you from these sun rays that are so harsh. So yeah, just a little tidbit before I get in. I got a little tangent. So me and my babe are out and about to do our Saturday venturing out. Where we going today, babe?
Fayetteville, Georgia.
Fayetteville, Georgia. And what are we doing in Fayetteville?
We're gonna go see the Hawaiian theme Chick-fil-A and check out a couple antique places. Find us a good place to eat.
Is there a winery there?
I don't think I saw a winery over here.
No. Okay. We gotta do a turnaround?
No, I'm gonna rent the vehicle.
Okay. But yes, we're going to Fayetteville today. It's only what, an hour away?
Yeah, a little over an hour.
Okay. So there's more to come. Smooches. This morning when I woke up, got ourselves together, and I went downstairs, watered our plants outside. And if you don't know, I used to work for Mississippi Department of Corrections, which is MDOC. We have a group on Facebook they call all MDOC old timers, which consists of people who used to work there and a lot of people who have retired that we worked around the same. We worked together in different units. And lately, there have been a lot of deaths of people that we used to work with. And these are not some of the older people, like a guy that I work with closely. He and I are the same age. He passed away yesterday. And of course, just another reminder. He's so disrespectful. Don't look puzzled. You could have turned that down. He looking like, what you talking about? But yes, just another reminder to live your life, man. It's crazy. No man knows the hour. The day or the hour.
Turn right to I-575 South.
Yeah, so just a reminder. Chat with y'all later.
Watch out, hazard reported ahead.
Both sides. You're in Fayetteville, Georgia. First stop, Fayetteville. Kind of hot today too. Not too bad. I like to fill up the sun with like burning my skin. Look like good. Let's see what they have. I don't normally buy shoes because I just don't. But people eat. If I found some brand new ones, that'd be different. have a good book selection. I'm getting Southern Living. Babe, here's a keto diet. Right here. We don't really do keto, but we do keto-ish.
Yeah, keto-ish.
Because you need to have carbs in your life. Even though we don't eat a lot of carbs, we do eat some. Oh, I saw a cancer killer.
Oh, there's the recipes in the back. Just the...
They do have some in the back.
Yeah.
We need to read it because I need to read to determine the benefits. I saw something in there that said cancer killer.
Cancer killer. How fuel in the body with ketones attacks cancer.
Okay. If y'all don't know anything about me, one thing I love is some dill pickles. Fried dill pickles. Regular dill pickles. Dill pickle flavored chips. And I just saw someone make a dill pickle margarita. And I want to try it. But I need to get some dill pickles, some juice. But these are good. I am so hungry. I said I'm hungry. Do you wait? You got yours? That's okay, babe. No. Okay, so me and babe just left Druett's Luau, which is Chick-fil-A, the Hawaiian thing. Chick-fil-A in Fayetteville. I will rate it from 1 to 10, a 3. Not impressed. Now, if you live around these parts, I can see you coming. But when people driving to come here, you know, we wouldn't know unless we tried it out. Now, Eric enjoyed his fish sandwich. Didn't baby like it?
Fish sandwich was good.
Okay. You know me. I got my regular smegular. And it didn't want my local Chick-fil-A just do it better. We came, we saw, wouldn't come back. But it was worth it. You know? But no.
Never know till you try.
Right. So now we're gonna hit another thrift store.
Yeah, it's the main Druett kids. So
Okay.
we're gonna hit those thrift stores that we saw.
We saw them coming down.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, they're doing something right there.
Doing something like tearing it down.
Yeah. More to go. If they're remodeling or what, but I like that mural. It's pretty. Stop number 2, Thrift Park Avenue. Let's see what they got. Thank you. This store is just too big. Let me look at the prices before I go by. Got plenty of jean shorts. like, lady, that is so cute. I wonder how much it is. I can't. Yo, you got monkey arms. Get over there and grab it. See how much it is.
$35.
That's
It's velvet too.
It's velvet.
Old.
Okay, we might get him.
It's old. It's a shoe.
What you mean it's a shoe?
It's a shoe.
What you mean?
This is a shoe.
A shoe?
Yeah, it's a.
I thought you said it's a shoe.
No, it's a shoe.
How you know?
Look at the features, baby.
Kind of look like a dude to me.
Art is its own, you know.
Yeah, it's perception.
Yes, yes.
Like a man.
Yeah.
Could be.
Want me to hold it?
No, put it back. We'll come back. Because he can go upstairs. This is Lucille Ball doll, isn't it? Looks like Lucille. They got a lot of neat jewelry. Oh, $900 and some dollars. Turquoise.
$225.
You know, we have a thing for African masks. It's 50% off.
$50.
So it's 25.
Mm-hmm.
Does it? Well, we know it's not from the Ivory Coast. Not 50% off.
Nope, 50% off my dude.
Who remember these beads? Like, I remember my Aunt Mazel used to have them, but I don't think they were all glass, maybe. It wouldn't even.
Yeah, they made them in different kinds.
Mm-hmm. I used to love going through that door to hear them.
That's old school there.
Right.
Nah, that's beautiful.
It is. This is one of the best booths. Babe, you find anything in? This is a nice booth.
Some nice stuff in there. Got no money. Well,
You needn't come around. No broke dudes allowed.
Oh my goodness.
She said. Now look at this necklace. It is so pretty. Okay, so me and Babe just left Diggers Antiques and Uniques. That was one of the best antique thrift stores. I don't think it's a thrift store, it's really antiques. It's one of the best ones that we've come across. They had some really, really, really good things, unique things. If you were looking, we have no more room for African masks. We could color the walls with them, but we're not, because it's what we have now. Looks good, you know. Wish we did have some more wall, but we don't. But they have really good prices too. Really good prices. Really unique finds. And you know, thrift stores and antique stores are really like museums. Museums with items that you can actually purchase. And I like that. I like that for us. You get to see a lot of the things that you grew up with. A lot of things you haven't seen in many, many years. So, yeah, I like that one. So if you're ever in Fayetteville, Georgia, stop by Diggers Antiques and Uniques. Now we're at Four Rivers Antiques. Oh, babe, they have the things that we can hang the plants from. How much are they? That one is 18. How much is the 2-prong?
For the hanger?
Uh-huh.
24.
24? This one is 20 and it comes, I was about to say it comes with a basket, but no it doesn't. The basket is only $10 though.
They found some peanuts, so we had to do a quick U-turn for her to come over here and get her boiled peanuts.
Okay, y'all. Let's try these. Let's try these. Okay. Still firm. Okay. Okay. These definitely. They don't have Cajun. They have jalapeno. And you can definitely taste the jalapeno. You got a little sting on the tongue, but they ain't bad. But what y'all think I'm gonna say? They ain't like the ones I get at the gas stations in Mississippi, child. They're just not. But you know, I'm still gonna eat them. We're in a bookstore, which it specialized in buying and selling used books, and looks like music as well. Like we walk back here and saw all of this music, which, you know, music stores have long gone and just really dried up. You really don't see this. Let's cruise away. So this is enlightening. So we're enjoying looking at the music, looking at albums while we wait. I feel like they're calling us back. I got the phone. Prince. That damn Prince. How much is that one? Look like his new albums.
This ain't dope.
Interesting. Come on, before they give away our table. Want to buy a record player? I think so too. Because remember when we were in Jacksonville and we went to that thrift store and they had all those albums for like dirt cheap? Okay, we done found a new honey hole. As they said on Swamp People. Hey y'all. Let's just pop back in to end the video. You all been with us all day. We went to Fayetteville, Georgia. Went to the Luau, Druett Luau, Chick-fil-A. Not impressed. You saw that. We just ended dinner at Kaya's ramen and sushi. Always good. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you made it this far, leave a thumbs up so we'll know. Okay? Because it takes a lot to vlog. Whip out the camera all the time. You know, I don't always whip it out because there are places we've gone that I did not, because I'm just trying to enjoy my time, you know. Just like I didn't take you all into the restaurant because y'all been in Kaya's before. Y'all seen it. But yeah, I'm gonna edit this video and load it. I may load it tonight around midnight. For some reason, the video I posted Wednesday at midnight did it better than the one I posted on Sunday. So I'm trying to get this algorithm down. I haven't caught it yet, but hope y'all had a great weekend, and we will chat with you all in the next vlog. Oh, one more thing. Y'all know I got my nails done Tuesday. Look at them. Look at them. They look a hot mess. And if you didn't know, I've taken the acrylic off of my nails, and these are my nails, but no, well, they were my nails before I bought an overlay of acrylic, but no longer. I'm not using acrylic. I'm going back to my natural nails. I don't know about you, but I find natural nails more attractive now. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or what. Now I'm going to get manicures because I need them to do these cuticles and all that good stuff. But I may just not even get nail polish. I may just do clear because the nail polish is just chipping horribly. I mean bad. So I may just continue doing it because that's irritating. But that's neither here or there. Y'all have a great weekend again, and we will chat with you later.